Welcome back to Sleeperville Garage. It's been had a week off, of course, the holidays, but I had a problem with my tooth, so I was in pain big time. But we're back at it. First things first. I guess with this video, what we're gonna do is take Bex out for a little cruise today. So let you guys know the reason why I'm swapping up the transmission. Um, because you can see personally what the hell the car's doing. It's super weird, but whatever. So first things first, we'll go ahead and move the Lancer Evo swap. We're gonna get into that later, but right now we're gonna go ahead and play car show. All right. Yeah, I'm not done with this whole thing yet. Still got a lot of work to do, but the main thing is, ah, I gotta remind myself to turn the prime down to basic. All right. Turn the key. E85. Most of these cars are only 85. Still got an exhaust leak we need to fix, but oh, I like all my exhausts angled. But one thing we're gonna do is cut this out, 3D print something that goes there. Give you an idea. Car sounds good. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not, but main thing is we just need to move this thing over there, and we'll talk more about this later. So, hopefully, bear with me a second, guys. It's been a while since I drove this thing. All right. Thank you, old girl. Legnum, the fleet. All right. Well, see if the old girl is happy right now. First things first. Of course, gotta make sure she's out of gear. Move her up a little bit. Yeah, I'm still a ricer, so. But no, on-off switch was necessary. Car had all this stuff forever. But all right. See if the old girl's happy. Hmm. You know what? Give her another prime just in case. Yeah. No? Hmm. There she go. Shocking. I usually let her warm up anyway. I got ventilation here, so it's no big deal. But all right, there we go. Woo. We'll let her warm up a little bit before we get out of here. Died on me. All right. Anyways, so Bex is out. We're gonna go for a ride in that. That's old spots, but I'm thinking about trying out this new turbo. I'm not sure if I want to try it on Bex or not. I'll probably throw that on the Eclipse, but I was gonna do it to this, but that's already together. That car's ready to go, turnkey. But we're gonna run some errands in this thing. Let you guys see what it's like driving this thing. I mean, I had this car for ages. All right, guys. Sorry. Camera, glasses camera, battery is just not working with me, but we're already on the road. Gotta make a pit stop because I just realized Bex didn't have gas. So the thing sucks about having an E85 car is if you don't have jugs of this shit around, you gotta drive to the gas station. And that's what I'm doing. Trash is here to go to the dump, but we got a pit stop to the gas station, so fingers crossed. All right, guys. I figured out my camera issue. It was it needed to be connected to my phone because it kept turning itself off. But we just got gas, made it to the gas station. That was dicey, but let's finish up our shit we got to do for today. All right. SRT guy took a picture of my car. Let's take a look at that thing real quick. There it is. Fuel pumps are singing their lovely tune. Not all key. Oh, fuck that guy. Whew. Yeah. All right. So, anyways, see, driving normal, she's fine. See, third gear's there, right? Fourth gear grind. Fifth gear, no problem. That's the thing with this car, man. She's either on or off. Trash to the dump. All right. Let's take a small test. See? No third gear. See that? That's what happens. No third gear. All right. Small rundown of the car, real quick. Again, 2.3 stroker motor, 4G63, fully built, top to bottom. Precision 6266 turbo with the HKS slash Inline Pro turbo manifold T4. A lot of people don't use this manifold because it's a pain in the ass with the wastegate placement, but Eric Broker, EB Fabrications got me right with that. Took care of that for me.
And he also did the intake manifold, charge pipes, and intercooler for me as well. I have two Bosch 044 pumps in the back to a sumped 12-gallon fuel cell, custom 3-inch downpipe and exhaust, straight pipe all the way back. I did that myself. It's not the greatest, but hey, it works, it's functional, and it's not on the ground. Matter of fact, a lot of this work to this car I did myself. Matter of fact, majority of it, with the exception of the custom intercooler piping and things like that. I built the motor myself. Machine shop, of course. I don't have a machine shop, but Alan built out in past, not Winchester, but he definitely did all my machining for all my motors, including that one and the clips out there as well. I will only go to him because he's guaranteed. He definitely gets me in the right direction. What else? Let's see. Of course, the coil and plug, 1600cc injectors. I have the Arc 2. I think that's the name of it. Ignition under the dash, and the creme de la creme. I have a AEM V1. That's right, AEM Series 1 box in this car. And again, this car does everything I needed to do. I don't need to upgrade. I don't plan on upgrading it. I mean, I plan on just cleaning it up dramatically because that's what it needs the most. Because all in all, I've had this car since 2008. So you do the math on that. Me having this car that long, and it's seen its wars. It's seen everything. It has all the stories possible. I can't complain, but it works, and it's been working, and I'm not gonna change it. Go down here. Oh well. Also, we of course got tile here, and turbo smart blow valve, race port. I have Willwood brakes. These came off a 2G Eclipse. The car really needs a lot of cleaning. Things just time and age. I have the one Sparko seat there, radio, subwoofer. You know, I mean, again, I drive it. Now a 3D printer this year, and I'm gonna try to make my own 3-pod bezel for the Mirage / Evo 3. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this week. I'll see y'all next time.